Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change our lock screen wallpaper in Motorola Edge 50 Neo phone. So how to change our lock screen wallpaper without touching our home screen wallpaper. First we need to open settings. Then in personalize menu here we need to open this wallpaper here. And now we can change either wallpaper or our home screen. So choose new wallpaper, then change wallpaper, the wallpapers on device that are by default, let's say this one, and right now we need to choose lock screen only. Yes, lock screen only please. And now as you can see our home screen hasn't been changed and our lock screen changed wallpaper. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.